This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Becky Gordon. Wow! This beautiful 5-bedroom home sits on 1.6 acres, far off of the street, and is nestled among the trees and seagrass. Inside the house features all new windows, flooring, and paint throughout. Full kitchen renovation done in 2015 to include high-end appliances, new cabinets, granite countertops, and backsplash. 2 primary bedrooms, one on first floor and one on the second. The large first floor primary would also make a great in-law suite. Upstairs primary bathroom was recently renovated with high-quality finishes. Enjoy living in one of the nicest neighborhoods with great amenities including a pool, clubhouse, and playgrounds. Don't miss your chance to see this beautiful home. For more information, review the details below.